Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. I feel like I haven't turned on the camera in so long. I forgot how to YouTube. So this video has been long overdue and I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and I wish you the best New Year's. Like the video title says, I just wanted to give you guys an update on why I haven't been making videos. A lot of people could think maybe I ran out of content, or maybe I don't want to do it anymore, or something's wrong. It's none of those things, guys. I'm okay. Just living my life like a normal human being. I don't have to pick up the camera every single time. It's actually been kind of nice having a little bit of a break. The last video I came out with was with Leon, and the one before that, huge gaps. Am I right? I used to come out with the video like once a week. Now it's like once every other week, once every month even, or who knows when the hell he's gonna upload a video. The reason why I haven't been uploading is because I am human. I know I always come on this platform to you guys with a positive, strong mindset. Behind closed doors, sometimes you just feel unmotivated. And of course you don't want to advertise that, but I always love being transparent with you guys. I just want to be real with you. I just want to sit down and have a talk. For all of you guys who wanted more car content, I'm sorry this video isn't it, but I promise maybe the next one might be. I've been feeling a little bit unmotivated lately. It's not that I've run out of ideas, I just haven't felt inspired. That's pretty much it. It's life. You know, I'm only getting older. YouTube is amazing. It's allowed me to meet a bunch of amazing people and allowed me to do a bunch of amazing things. Sometimes you just want more. And I'm not saying like I want more financially, like, yeah, of course everyone wants more financially, right? Who doesn't want to be financially stable? I know I do. And it's not even just to buy more car parts or like nice shoes or anything. I just want to have my own place, have a family, maybe get my dream car someday. Life was hitting pretty hard towards the end of the year. Thank God it's over. We get a whole new refresh. I know you guys may be going through the same thing or dealing with even more, and it happens. Sometimes we just need a moment to ourselves, and I'm feeling rejuvenated, refreshed. I'm in a good state of mind. Another huge thing, everything was kind of put on hold. I had like a few things here for the Lexus, got pushed back. Supra, who knows when the hell that thing's gonna be done, am I right? I was supposed to be driving it by this summer. It's winter! It happens though, I'm not complaining. When the time comes, the time will come, and I will burn as many clutches as I possibly can in the Supra. Long story short, I paid off the Supra's block a long time ago, and they needed to put oil and run it through, make sure everything's spinning properly, and then we're just gonna drain it. So, huge waste of an oil change, am I right? But I've never rebuilt a motor, I guess that's what you have to do. And they were supposed to do that, still haven't heard back, but hopefully I get everything all in one piece, nothing's stolen, fingers crossed. I just wanted to be honest with you guys. The lack of content has been very real. I know every single video I always tell you guys, hey, look forward to more content. Oh, next video I'm gonna have this, or like blah 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 blah. Guess that's it. I mean, it's been a good run. It's been like a solid 3 years. 3 years of non-stop not really 3 years because these last few months I've been slacking, but damn near 3 years of back to back to back spending money, coming up with this and doing that. And I know a lot of other YouTubers have done it for like 10 years plus, and then they take their little break and whatever, or have their little meltdown. That 3-year mark was for me. I love doing YouTube. Honestly, one of the coolest things. I hope that I never stop doing it. It's just so cool to meet so many people that actually get inspired by me and my videos. Me, a normal Asian guy with a normal Asian car. That's just so cool to me. Like, I don't think anything beats you doing something that you love and having other people see it and they're just like, wow, I love that too. I want to do that too. That's the coolest thing. I just wanted to give you guys a little update. Hope everyone is doing amazing. Thank you guys so much for still supporting the channel. We're almost at 30,000 subs. It's almost there. I just gotta put in a little more work. Without you guys, I wouldn't be where I am today. And I love every single one of you. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Whether it's a not so interesting video like this or an actual interesting video, nonetheless, I appreciate all of you guys. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown 2022 plans. Hopefully get closer to finishing the Lexus. Supra has to be drivable by next year. Has to even be painted by next year. I don't even care if I have like wheels or not, but I want it decent enough to take to Supras in Vegas because I missed it this past year, and I will try my best to post more, to come up with better ideas. I see your guys' comments. I know a lot of you hate when I grow my hair out. When I wear my hat, sticks out. When it's like this, like what is this? So if this video gets 400 likes, that's not even that many to be honest, but if this video gets 400 likes, I'll go bald in the next video. Thinking outside the box. Well, outside of my hair, but if you like this video, don't forget to... I forgot YouTube, oh my god. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hopefully the next video comes out next year? Yeah, I think it's gonna come out next year. Sounds about right. But until then, don't catch this new Omegatron variant of coronavirus. Just live your life. Live your life. I still have days where I wake up and I'm like, what am I doing with my life? I like to spend money on my car and work on it even though it's not fun sometimes, and talk to the camera, which is you guys. If you guys ever feel like you're stuck, I'm sure a lot of you guys think, oh, I have money, or I'm here and you're here. Like, no, we're the same. I'm a normal ass human being. I have struggles and stress too. This is all for show. I don't even own these cars. They're not even mine. Just unsubscribe to the channel. Don't do that, but eventually the lease for these 2 cars will be up and, you know. I'll catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.